Hello and welcome to Finance Skills Hub. It's another Friday. Here we learn, we connect, and we grow. In this short video, we are going to learn how to split entries in one cell into multiple rows. As usual, let's head to Excel and see how you can get this done. The golden rule with data entry in Excel is one entry or one value per cell. But sometimes when you import data from a software, you may end up with several values in one cell. Our goal in this example will be to split each number here into separate cells and then bring along the dates that correspond to each set. So let's get to it. This has already been converted to a table. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use Power Query to transform this data. So if you are using a current version of Excel, you can find the Power Query set under Data in the Get and Transform. So here I'm starting my table and then I'm extracting from a table. So I'll click this. So Power Query will now read my data and then upload it into another window. So what you are seeing here is the Power Query window. Here you can clean, transform any data type that you connect to. So you can see here I have my date column and I have my amount column. Now to give you a better view, let's go to Add Column and then choose column from example. I'm not going to use this, but I want to use the preview to give you an idea how the numbers are arranged in the cell. So you see 500045126745 separated by what is obviously a space, but this is actually a character called a line feed, and this is what we are going to use to split the numbers into separate cells or rows. So let me cancel this. So I come here and then I go to transform and then I go to split column. So I'll choose by delimiter. So I'll choose by delimiter. The idea will be to use a character to force the split. Now it detects that I have the line feed, which is represented by a #LF, and I want to split this at each occurrence of the delimiter and split it into rows. Usually the default is columns. So this is my setting for this particular dialog box, and once you've done that, you click OK. So what's going to happen is that it's going to now force each value into separate cells. So the next I'm going to do is actually to transform this column and then convert the data type to proper date. If there are any changes, I can make them from here, but this looks good. So once you are done with the cleaning, you can now come to Home, Close, and Load To. And I want to export it as a table to this existing worksheet starting from E4. So when I do this and I click OK, Power Query now dumps the data I cleaned earlier, and then this is what I have. Okay, so we now realize that I now have each value corresponding to the date. So instead of just one cell, I now have 500045126745 now corresponding to each date. So when you're faced with situations like this, you just need to find out the character that is actually in between these numbers, use it as a delimiter in Power Query to split it into rows. Again, please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, we send videos to you Mondays and Fridays. You can send ad to this WhatsApp number. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Finance Skills Hub. Please visit and hit subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching and have a good weekend.